In this video, I'll demonstrate how to personalize your QR code tickets. The default QR code tickets display the attendee's name, the name of the event, and the QR code. However, if you want to add a logo or a background, you can do so in the add-on settings. To start, go to the Settings tab. Scroll down until you reach the Ticket Design section. Here, you will find two options: the default design, which is applied automatically when you start a new project, and the custom design. With the custom design option, you can upload a logo and a background. You also have the option to customize the title and the subtitle. The project name is the default subtitle, but you can modify it to fit your requirements. For instance, we can change the subtitle to group and the title to email. After making your changes, save your settings. When you open the ticket again, you will see the updated title and subtitle at the top. If you wish to change the logo or background, you can do so here. Let's add a custom logo and a custom background. Once you've uploaded the logo and background, you can preview your changes. The preview will show you what your ticket will look like. If you're satisfied with your changes, save them. Now, when you view a ticket, you'll see the ticket with the new background and logo. And that's it. It's incredibly simple to make your ticket match the colors of your event. Just go to the Settings tab and customize your ticket design. Try it now.